Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope that you're having an absolutely wonderful day. I'm so excited to unbox this Ipsy Glam Bag X. I think I've decided that at the end of the year, I'm going to be discontinuing my beauty subscriptions. So I'm just really hoping that this one is really good, that I like the products in it, because yet next year I don't think I will be doing Ipsy. So I really hope this one is good. This one is supposed to have been curated by Huda of Huda Beauty. So I hope there's good stuff in here. Today's tea of the day is a white tea. I'm gonna put the exact one down in the description box. It came as a sample in Sips by. You guys know that I like white tea. It has a very mild taste that reminds me of like sweet, sweet hay. It's very yummy. Okay, I'm really excited to get into this. Obviously, like I do know the products that are in here because with Glam Bag X you get to curate some of your box. So I'm just hoping that the things that I got sent, that some of the things that I picked are good. I hope that they're good. Okay, so there is like a little magazine that talks about Huda and her brand and all the things that could come inside of the box. The very first thing that I'm pulling out, okay, this was one of the spoilers that when I saw that I was getting this, I was like, yes, because this is one of the brands that I wanted to try this year, and this was one of the things that I wanted. So this is from Rare Beauty. This is the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm. It was in a different language. I was like, wait a second, there it is, Glossy Lip Balm, and this is the shade Nearly Apricot. I'm gonna try this on today. Okay, I just real quick went and wiped off my lip oil, so it looks like a really pretty shade, and I've heard such good things about these little glosses, that they're more like a liquid lip balm versus a gloss. One thing I like about the packaging is that it's flat on the edge so that you can sit it down and it won't roll off your vanity. That's great, I love that. All right, I'm expecting greatness here from what ooh, it does feel nice. Very, very smooth, mostly sheer, with just a little hint of color, which I really like in a lip product. And it feels like a lip balm. Wow. Yeah, that is a home run for me. I love that. Okay, the next item in here, when I saw that I think everyone was getting this, I was like, oh, this is one thing I don't need. So this is from PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I do already have a Foreo from FabFitFun years ago, and I've heard that these can be kind of pretty hard on your face, which I probably would appreciate these types of things more if I was 15 again and really just needed something intense to really clean out those oily pores. Now I'm a little more gentle, I feel, or need more gentle. Ooh, it comes with a battery though. Not a lot of times these things don't, so that's kind of cool. Oh, and it comes with a nice little stand so it can actually stand up on your bathroom counter. That is nice. Let's see if I can figure out how to put the battery. I'm sure that the bottom opens and I just can't get it. Oh, there it comes. The bristles do feel nice and soft, but I guess that would be worth trying it, maybe kind of focusing it around my nose and chin maybe. I could use some more deep clean. Okay, come on now, little battery. Get out of the plastic. Okay, I'm assuming this little nubbin is the on button. Push to power on. Okay. Working. Maybe the battery was dead. I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to waste more time with this, but I got a facial cleansing thing. Okay, so next I did get something from Huda Beauty. So this is the Overachiever Concealer. It's in the shade Marshmallow. Oh, that probably gonna be too light. I don't even want to open it if it's gonna be too light because, oh goodness, it's really, really light. It's one of those deals where I might go into Sephora and swatch it and see, but it looks like it's gonna be super, super light, and I would rather pass that on to someone when it's not open if it's gonna be that light. So I'm not gonna swatch that, but I am excited to get a concealer because I do like trying new concealers, but just sad that it was super, super light, I think. Okay, next. Okay, this was an option I got to choose, and I was so stoked to see that it was an option. This is from the brand By Terry, which is a luxury brand, and this is the Hyaluronic Hydra powder. I have heard about this powder for years as being a very, very good blurring and mattifying powder. So here we have it. Wow, that's so exciting. The lid wasn't completely screwed on. I was, oh. The packaging isn't anything special. It's just a sifter. I'm pulling off the sticker because I want to feel the powder. Powder is going everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see that. Holy cannoli. That doesn't even feel like powder. That's crazy. Whoa. I am so looking forward to trying that just feels super wild. Like incredibly thin, but also almost silicone-y and slippy. Like it's very, very strange, but I can't wait to actually try it. That's another one I was just so excited about. This next item I don't think I'm going to be keeping. This is one of the little 9-pan palettes from Huda Beauty. This is the Khaki Haze. Let me see if I can open it without destroying the packaging. It looks super cute, but I just don't think I need more of these shades. Let's see if I can get this. If I could have had an option to not get a palette at all, I would have, but it was in one of those things where you can choose this or this, and I really didn't want the other options either, and I figured it would be much easier to pass this on to someone than the other options. So the packaging is actually really pretty. I enjoy that. That is super nice. Ooh, wow, I'm so tempted though. It's so pretty. Look at that color story. Oh, isn't that nice? But I don't want to swatch it if I'm gonna pass it on. I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about that. Maybe I'll change my mind and end up keeping it. The color story is so beautiful. Please tell me if you've tried this palette, if it is good. Is the formula good? The next item in here is a skincare item. This is from the brand Wishful, which I think this is Huda's skincare brand. Am I right about that? So this is the Thirst Trap Juice. This is a serum with hyaluronic acid and peptides, aloe vera, and hollyhock rose. How intriguing. I'm always down for a nice serum, so that I'm excited about. Let's see what the bottle looks like. Ooh, it's pretty with like a frosted bottle and it looks like a light green color. That's fun. I'm excited to try that. I don't like to get a ton of skincare stuff in boxes because so much of it doesn't work for me, but this one I am excited to try. This next one, another skincare item. This actually was my choice, even though I don't think I'll be able to use it. I really didn't want anything else in that category. So this is from First Aid Beauty, which I actually do like this brand. I have things from them that I do like. However, I didn't realize when I chose this that this has AHAs in it. I'm currently using retinol, which I think you can't use AHAs at the same time as retinol, right? So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. I might see if I can give them to my sister or something, but that remains, I guess, to be decided. And lastly, in the box, there is a hair item from Kenra. This is the Platinum Glass Spray, Luminous Nourishing Spray. I think it's supposed to make your hair shiny, which is not generally something I'm looking for. I'm generally like applying loads of dry shampoo, but I could see the use for it. So I'm gonna have to update you on this to see what it even does or if I like it. I think it could be really good or really bad, so we'll see. And then I did get myself a couple of add-ons. So I got myself a sample of the Glossy Milky Jelly Cleanser. I've tried some of their makeup, but never any of their skincare. It smells really, really good, like rose. And I think the second ingredient, I was looking at the box. Let me look at it again. The box says, yeah, the second ingredient is rose water. So that's kind of cool. I didn't realize that. So that'll be fun to try. And then the last add-on I got was not a Binny. This is a product I've used before. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Length and Volume Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. This is not a holy grail for me, but the one time I used it, I decided that it was extremely handy for those times when you want very, very volumized, black, like huge false lash effect lashes, but you don't want any flakage. Like this stuff doesn't come off unless of course you use water. It is a tubing mascara. This is what the tube looks like. It feels nice and heavy, very luxurious. I was able to get it for I think 50% off through Ipsy, which I was excited to do before I canceled my subscription. So I liked my box. If you also got Ipsy Glam Bag X, let me know down below if you liked your curation, if you got items that you liked. I won't be able to use everything, but I do think that the box as a whole is a pretty good box. But that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.